guys, mag-ingat kayo dito sa body scrub na to kasi baka makain nyo siya. And this literally looks like an ice cream. From the top, the texture, OMG. Charot. And the scent as in sobrang bango. So this is from the brand Mirai. What I really like about this is the texture. It has a whipped cream texture. And when you use it on your skin, as in although it's a scrub, para siyang natutunaw sa balat. Hindi siya yung tipong parang nakakagasgas ng skin. As in honestly, it's one of the finest na body scrubs na natry ko. Grabe talaga yung scent niya. As in sobrang bango. And by the way, meron silang 3 variants. Pero itong gamit ko, which is in Hokkaido milk, is my most favorite. If you have sensitive skin or you want something gentle yet brightening, since meron din tong niacinamide. At the same time, meron silang what they call Sensi Soothe. So it also soothes the skin while brightening your skin. Kasi nagkikrave ako with milk ice cream every time I smell this. Actually, upon rinsing, mafe-feel mo kagad na instantly soft yung skin mo. Alam niyo yung parang instant vacation feels? Parang ka naka-check-in sa overlooking sa mountains in Hokkaido on a winter season. Ganon. So this is truly a gift from Hokkaido. Kasi ngayon pa lang, winawarningan ko na kayo. As in, ma-addict kayo dito, I swear.